Hey guys, it's Keira. Welcome back to the Subtl YouTube channel. Today we are diving into some of my best minimalist packing tips for travel. Now, I'm not an insane minimalist, but I do absolutely hate overpacking for trips. It's just so much easier to travel with light luggage, to know exactly where things are, and to have mini sizes of everything. I highly suggest taking all your toiletries and your makeup with you on the plane. That way you're not risking getting to your destination and not having any of your skincare or your makeup, because that is just the absolute worst. You only make that mistake once. So let's dive into all of my minimalist packing tips. First things first is have travel sizes of everything. I am actually showing you guys because I am packing for a month-long trip and I'm not bringing full-size beauty items. I bring a travel size dry shampoo, conditioner, cleanser, hairspray, deodorant, anything that comes in a travel size, get it in a travel size. It is kind of an investment up front, but once you have it, you can also just leave your travel cosmetic bag packed. That way you don't have to pour a bunch of your current makeup products into little containers. If your favorite products come in travel size, get them in travel size and only use them when you travel. I even bring hairbrush, toothpaste, my makeup brushes, which I'll get into makeup in a minute. Everything that I can, I have travel size because it takes up less room and you can keep your bag packed and just grab it when you need to pack for a trip. Okay, now while we're on the topic of cosmetics, I want to get into makeup. Bring compact makeup. If you have not tried a Subtl stack yet, hello, welcome to the Subtl YouTube channel. We are stackable, customizable makeup, so you can put exactly what you need for the trip. You can swap in your favorite items, take out what you're not gonna use. And this is also perfect because you can just bring it in your carry-on bag under the seat with you. You can touch up or do your makeup on the airplane. Like, hello, this is the most convenient thing for travel ever. People absolutely love our stacks for everyday makeup, but especially when it comes to travel. The other thing with stackable makeup is that you don't have to risk your makeup breaking. That also often happens when you travel, so stackable makeup for the win. I also love bringing my Stack Brush BFF because it is encased, so you're not gonna deal with a bunch of gross germs, especially in the airport, especially in bathrooms you don't know. This is perfect. And it comes with every stack purchase. It can be used for multiple items, so good. If you are a girly that likes to have multiple brushes, we also have this travel brush set. Here's one of my other brushes for size comparison. It comes with all these mini little brushes, but the actual head of the brush is still a really decent size. Like I said, anything that you can buy mini, do it. I mean, I love this brush set for things other than travel too, but especially for travel, it is so perfect, and it has the little case as well. So honestly, this is all you need, but if you want to bring this too, that works. And the nice thing about this is that I don't have to bring a separate makeup bag. I just throw it right in my cosmetics bag and we're good to go. Next, let's get into clothing. So the first thing I'm gonna say is pack the items you wear the most. Be realistic with yourself. Don't pack super aspirational items unless you're like a total fashion guru, but I feel like there's been trips that I go on and I bring this super beautiful maxi dress and I never ended up wearing it, and it takes up a huge chunk of my suitcase. So I like to pack a lot of the same color scheme, biker shorts, tanks, a lot of these like styles of shirts that are just flowy and oversized that I can wear with shorts. I can wear it over a dress. Button-ups are super versatile. So yeah, just pack the things that you know that you actually love and are going to wear, and also pack things that can be used with multiple outfits for multiple occasions. If you're going somewhere like New York, you can actually plan your outfits. I did this, I'll insert a few pictures here. I did this when I was pregnant because outfit planning is so hard when you're pregnant, and because we were were in New York and we had only like 3 or 4 days and I only wanted to bring a carry-on, I was super intentional with what I brought and I tried everything on beforehand and took photos so I knew what I was wearing what day and I didn't have to overthink it or stress while we were there in the moment. Next tip is to keep a packing list on your phone, and this is a running packing list that you have every single time you travel, because while this is, yes, like a minimalist tips, I'm actually not a minimal girly. So I like to only bring the essentials, but I have a lot of essentials. And if I forget those essentials, it's gonna be a problem. So I have a list so that I don't forget essential things like earplugs, my glasses, or my contacts. Again, you only make that mistake once. Have a running list on your notes app, on your phone, pull it up every single time you pack, add to it as you go and as you know what you need and what you like to use when you travel. This also helps you prevent overpacking too. Okay, and the last tip I have for minimalist packing is to use packing cubes. These look like this. You can also file fold like Marie Kondo style in your packing cubes. It really helps minimize the space that you're using, but it also helps you stay organized. You can use one packing cube per person, or you can put like pants in one cube, shirts in another, or you could even use one packing cube per outfit. There's a lot of different ways to organize it, but I promise you, I put off buying these for so long and it has totally leveled up my minimalist packing game. That is all the tips I have for you. I hope those were helpful. Definitely comment down below. Let me know if you guys have any packing tips and tricks that have saved you when traveling. And again, if you're like me where you don't like to bring an excess amount, but you still have a lot of essentials, I think these tips will really help you. Definitely check down below for the links to everything that I talked about, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.